What?
Okay, wherever you see the red dot, you're ready to fire.
Lillian, hey, watch that propane's gonna go way up. Down there, watch where you're shooting. You can't even see it. Stand by Shelby.
See it now, Lillian?
Make it go another direction, Tanner.
Fire again, quick! Oh, I'm out of bullets.
God damn it. Shoot it! Somebody shoot it!
Somebody shoot it.
Whoa, look at it!
Oh!
Got one there, Deb? God dang it. Push it forward.
Shoot it.
Hit it. Shoot down below it.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Down below. Bottom of it.
Try it.
No, it's already empty. Oh, no, not that.
Oh man,
What's wrong?
Relax.
I can't.
Time.
It's too high.
Let me blast for you.
No, I don't.
Come on, bud.
Oh, I see it.
You had it.
I ran over the bullet.
Let's go down, TK.
Nice shot.